Ever wondered what a Bitcoin ETF is and why it's such a big deal? Let's embark on a journey to understand this financial instrument that has taken the world of cryptocurrency by storm. In the beginning, Bitcoin, the digital gold of our era, was a wild frontier, unregulated and volatile. It was in 2013 when the Winklevoss twins, famous for their involvement with Facebook, first proposed a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF. However, the road to approval was not smooth. The twins faced multiple rejections from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, citing concerns over fraud and manipulation in the Bitcoin market. Fast forward to 2021, the Bitcoin market had grown significantly, both in terms of market cap and regulatory oversight. This year marked a turning point for Bitcoin ETFs. The SEC, under new leadership, started to show signs of warming up to the idea. In October of the same year, we witnessed the launch of the first Bitcoin ETF in the United States, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. This was a watershed moment, signifying the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin as an investable asset. Now let's turn our attention to Bitwise. In 2024, Bitwise announced that Pantera Capital Management had committed a staggering $200 million to their Bitcoin ETF, known as BITB. This commitment shows the growing interest and confidence of institutional investors in Bitcoin ETFs. Another noteworthy player in the Bitcoin ETF space is Franklin with their EZBC. What's interesting about EZBC is the trading activity. In the first week, we saw several block trades, each comprising 300,000 shares. However, these trades didn't take place immediately. It was a gradual process, indicating an increase in institutional activity. So, why didn't these trades occur immediately, you ask? Well, it's all about strategy. Institutional investors often spread their trades over several days or even weeks to avoid causing a sudden spike in the ETF's price. This gradual increase in institutional activity is expected to result in vigorous trading volume over the next month. To sum it all up, Bitcoin ETFs represent a significant milestone in the journey of Bitcoin. They offer a regulated and less volatile way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. The commitment of big assets like Pantera Capital Management and the trading activity of Franklin's EZBC are clear indicators of growing institutional interest in Bitcoin ETFs. As we look to the future, Bitcoin ETFs promise to open up new avenues for institutional investors, paving the way for increased adoption of Bitcoin and potentially driving its price to new heights. So, stay tuned for more developments in this exciting space.